Hello there. I'm in my photographer fit. That's what I call a photographer fit. I took my glasses off so I see everything as is. No tint. I feel like a lot of times during this video I'll just go quiet and at moments enjoy the sound of birds. Because I'm tired of just hearing parakeets and seagulls. There's a variety in here. Yeah. Okay. A squirrel and a... Wait, that's not a raven. I forgot what that bird is, the black and white one. I don't know if they're playing just together or they're actually mad at each other. Oh, let's go run away. You didn't get... Oh, my bad. Here we go. Alright, so this is my spot. I'm sitting on the bench. Like, I used to come here a lot. It's the first time in a while. And I'm fully taking it in whilst the light is out. I was still hoping to catch this walk when the sun was out, but it's okay. Shit, it's only been 3 minutes. The thing is, if I start walking and recording, I would want to take... Sure, I'll just be taking the videos as I go. You'll see me in action. I won't be able to really zoom in or out, so I'll keep it on the widest lens. Oh shit. But then that means I can't really multitask. Actually I can, I'll just need to be holding it as steady as possible and then I can look at this. I do have memories in this park since I was living like right on the edge of it. So, very convenient, very close. And I wished I used it more. Even when I didn't need to take a 10-minute bus, you know. Oh, my hand is freezing. Okay. For some reason recently I'm struggling to come up with topics to talk about. I remind myself constantly that I just need to I have the ability of being able to talk about any topic, anything. What about dogs? I see quite a few dogs in here. That one is a German Shepherd. Ooh, a big one at that. Where do I go? I'll go up. Sure. I'm like halfway through realizing I think I preferred not actually starting recording now and to just have carried on using the camera. But it's okay. That's a lesson for the future. But I'll still finish the video because I can't just bail out. I still want it to be a thing, you know? Oh, that's a cool tree. Let me take an angle shot of that. Who knows if like combined with all the other things of these shots, will it make sense? Will it be cool? I haven't really managed to record anything that's alive yet and moving, you know. I haven't had a good shot of that. Like, there's these little fences here, and kind of like saying, don't necessarily go there, but it's like very easy to do so. And at one point, I think I would want to like have a little like adventure through these uncharted territories. Just because I miss that forest walk. Whenever I was back in Latvia, sometimes I would go foraging for mushrooms in the forest. That's a lot of F's. Ooh, shush. And I didn't even eat mushrooms back then. I didn't like them, but I really enjoyed finding and taking mushrooms. And usually I would be like with my grandma, and I would ask her constantly if like some of the mushrooms are edible or not. Sometimes I just didn't know. They looked cool, so I grabbed them. It's the joy of surprise whenever you do find it. I'm a very visual person, so it's like activities like that I enjoy. Full on. I never went up this hill at such a low pace, I can't lie. I'm taking ages. It's the multitasking that's taking away a lot of my energy and function right now. Quickly take a shot of that. Just a second before the people are visible. Ooh. Oh, Shearston. minutes. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Stay airy. What the fuck?